Welcome to part 6 of Letitia's Holiday Crochet Along. These next few parts are for the paid version of the Crochet Along. So part 6 will continue from where we left off with part 4. We are going to be working another set of trees in a different version from our starting one. It's inset mosaic we're using. Remember to use your smaller size hook as we work this part. So for row 1, we want to join with our main color and the smaller size hook, right side facing. We will join in that first stitch and we're going to place a single crochet in every stitch working across. So every stitch, single crochet through both loops across to the end of the row. So once you've worked down the edge of your row with those single crochet and you've gotten to the end, in inset we do not fasten off, we turn our work and we work back down the wrong side, matching any stitches and any chains. So this row is simple, we just single crochet in each single crochet back down the row for row 2. Row 3 then, we will be using color 1, so we will just pull the color 1 loop through, dropping the main color and chain 1. And I just tighten it up after the chain 1. Now for these parts going forward, I'm not going to be showing you every single row anymore. You've learned the technique well, you can follow along on the chart. I will help you get started with this row here using color 1, and then I'm going to let you work up to the bottom of the base of the tree. So row 3, we're going to work together. We will single crochet in the first 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3. 7 single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet in 5. Chain 2, skip 1, single crochet in 5, chain 3, single crochet in 5. Oops, so I skip 2 and then single crochet in 5. So when we started with the 7, the first 3 stitches are our border stitches. The repeat starts at stitch 4, so we have 4 single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, 5 single crochet, chain 2, skip 1, 5 single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, 5 single crochet, and then we start again with those 4 single crochets. So after this last chain 3, there will be 9 single crochet in the row. So the end of our repeat is 5 single crochet. The start of the next repeat is 4 single crochet. And then you'll just work that all the way down the blanket, and I'll meet you just before the end of the row. When you've reached the end of the row, after those 5 single crochet at the end of the repeat, you'll want to single crochet in the remaining 2 stitches to finish the row. And then remember, for inset crochet, we chain 1, turn our work, and follow the stitches in the chains back down. So single crochet in each of the stitches. So for this row, we'll be starting with 7 single crochet, and then we had to chain 3, so we chain 3, single crochet in the 5 stitches. Chain 2, single crochet in the 5 stitches, chain 3, single crochet in those stitches, and so on. So just matching the chains and the stitches all the way back down the row, and I'll meet you at the end. So for row 5, we're going to switch to the main color. We'll have those 3 single crochet for the border stitches, then we'll start our repeat with 4 single crochet, and then work the double crochet 2 rows down, or 3 rows down into that skip stitch from the previous main color row, 5 single crochet, 1 double, 5 singles, 2 double, 5 singles. So let's work that repeat together. So single crochet in these first 3 stitches for our border stitches. And then we'll single crochet in the remaining 4, 2, 3, and 4. Double crochet in these 2 skip stitches, working in front of the chains. 1 and 2. Single crochet in these 5. Double crochet down in that skip stitch, single crochet in 5, double crochet in these 2 skip stitches, single crochet in 5, and then ready to start the repeat again with those 4 single crochet, and so on. So you can work your way and finish up row 5. Then for row 6, you'll be working on the wrong side again. There are no chains in row 5, so it'll just be single crochet in every stitch back down. And then after that, you can work on the next 2 rows, the base of the Christmas trees, changing to our color 2. Remember, these little circles represent how many chains you will work. So there'll be 4 rows here plus the wrong side rows in between. So color 2, main color, color 2, main color. So you can go ahead and work that, and I will meet you after round 13. One of the trickiest things when following the chart is we see this color 2 section here, and you just need to make sure that you work the required number of chains on that section. It's colored in because the next round we work down over top of those chains in the skip stitches. So hopefully you have yours looking like this. You'll have the tree trunks, and in between you'll have these 4 sets of 2 of the main color double crochet with color 2s poking through. So we want to move on now to start working the dark green section, which is the color 3 section. I'll do this first row with you of the dark green. So our last row of the main color should have these 4 chains, which is the starting part of our colored tree. So I have my 4 chain and the 3 skip stitches. We'll be working those double crochet from our color 3. So for row 15, we attach color 3, chain 1, and then we start with 3 single crochet. Make sure you have cut off color 2 from our previous rows. We'll just look at our chart. Now, I find it easiest on the video to refer to the chart. There is, of course, a great written pattern and instructions, and you may find that easier to follow along with when you're working these sections by yourself. So we just worked these 3 single crochet. We're going to chain 3 and skip 2 and work 8 single crochet, 3 doubles in those skip stitches, 8 more single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, and 1 single crochet. So we'll work that repeat together one time to help get you started on this section. Chain 3, skip 2, single crochet in 8. 1, 2. And then ready to work those double crochet in those 3 skipped stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet in 8. Seven and 8. So that's our first tree started with its branches. Chain 3, skip 2, single crochet in 1. So that is our repeat. We'll start again with the chain 3, skip 2, and then start the single crochet in 8, and so on. So you can go ahead working that down the row. Remember, as you turn at the end of the row, you just match. You place a single crochet in each of the stitches and chains where the chains are. And then you can work the next several rows. I will come back and meet you ready to work row 31. So hopefully your trees are coming together and looking a lot like this. We're now going to switch to color 4, finish off the tops of the trees, and then this in-between stitching there. So I'll help you start on row 31 to get started with this color, and we'll go from there. So to start round 31, we'll do 2 single crochet and work a double down. Then we're going to work these sets of chaining and skipping and so on. So I'll work through the 1 repeat with you to get you started on this section. So I've joined my color 4, have my 2 single crochet, then we'll work a double crochet down in that skipped stitch. Chain 2, skip 1, single crochet, chain 4, skip 3, 2 single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, then we'll work 2 double crochet down on those skip stitches, 1, 2, and a single crochet in that single crochet, and another 2 double crochet down on those skipped stitches. Chain 3, skip 2, single crochet in 2, chain 4, skip 3, single crochet, chain 2, skip 1, we'll work a double crochet down on that skip stitch, And then we're ready to start the repeat again with that chain 2, skip 1, and so on. So you can go ahead and repeat that bit down this row and then follow the chart or the written pattern for the rest of this section. And again, I will join you on round or row 43. So hopefully your section with color 4 matches up with what you see here and the chart. So we are almost finished. Part 6, we want to work on these final few rows for that in-between piece. So we're going to use color 2 again, and I'll do this row with you here and then talk you through the last few rows. Start by joining color 2 and chaining 1. We will single crochet in these first 2 stitches and then work a double crochet down in that skipped stitch. Chain 2, skip 1, single crochet in 9. 1, 2, 3. Eight and 9, chain 2, skip 1, single crochet in the next. Now this single crochet should line up with the top point of the tree. Chain 2, skip 1, single crochet in 9. Eight and 9, single crochet. We'll chain 2, skip 1, work a double crochet down in the skipped stitch, and that double crochet should line up with that center long line in that section there. Chain 2, skip 1, and that's the start of a repeat again. So we're ready to do those 9 single crochet and so on. So you can go ahead and finish that row and work your way back down on the wrong side, matching those stitches and chains. Then for row 45, we will work our main color, working single crochet or the double crochet in those skip stitches. So there'll be a stitch in every spot on that row, same as row 47, only using color 6. We will single crochet in each stitch. Then 49 with main color again, you will need to watch for these places where we chain 4 and skip 3 across. 51 will be a single crochet or double crochet worked in every stitch, and ending this part with row 53, single crochet in each stitch. Be sure to work row 54 on the wrong side, so we end with single crochet in every stitch on wrong side. So you can go ahead and work that all the way through, and I'll meet you here to compare our final version. So that's our part 6. You can fasten off all ends if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you back here next week for part 7.